Hi there, my name is Ramael Scully. I'm the exec chef and co-owner of Scully Restaurant in St. James Market. Today we'll be cooking a braised hogget shoulder with balsamic vinegar served with freekeh and grilled radicchio on the side. Alright, to start the recipe, we need to seal the hogget first. So make sure you get your roasting tray nice and hot. A little bit of olive oil. It'll take about 5 minutes on each side just to get a nice golden brown, and you want to seal all that beautiful meat juices inside. So right now, try to keep moving around the tray so you can get all equal sides nice and brown. So you can see now I have a nice beautiful caramelization on my hogget shoulder. We're going to take it out, let it rest for a little bit. So now we're going to cook the onions. And I like a bit of cloves of garlic. Keep stirring it constantly. It takes roughly about 10-15 minutes to get a nice golden brown caramelization. So once your onions is nice and roasted with the garlic, I like to add a little bit of thyme, a little bit of bay leaves, fresh bay leaves, and then we have the glaze to get the sauce. So we have balsamic vinegar with soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, a little bit of honey. Once you're out of that, what you need to do, it takes about 5-10 minutes, so you get a sticky kind of consistency. So you can see at this stage, it's right nice and sticky. This is the stage when you add the chicken stock. And what you want to do after adding the chicken stock, just bring it to the boil. So the chicken stock has come to the boil. This is the stage when you add your hogget right on top of the onions. Okay. I like to baste it a few times. Just give all that flavors just on top of your hogget. I have preheated the oven at 170 degrees, and it's time to go in the oven for about an hour and a half. So here we have some cooked freekeh, a lemon Dijon vinaigrette, a radicchio, and some balsamic vinegar onions. To prepare your radicchio, preheat your griddle pan and just cut it in big wedges. And just individually just pick the leaves out. So a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of salt. So on a hot griddle, just wilt it a little bit, get that little charred flavor to the radicchio. Add your onions last minute, just to get that little balsamic flavor coming through the radicchio. Once the radicchio is wilted and the onions has got a little char, add it straight to your freekeh. While it's still hot, give it a good mix. Finish it off, mix your little lemon and Dijon vinaigrette in. Once the freekeh is nice and mixed in, it's time to check the hogget. So the hogget's out of the oven, and the trick is basting, and you just get all that beautiful balsamic vinegar coming through, that gloss, that shine on it. Now we're ready to serve. And what we want here is that when we sit that hogget on top, all the juices leak down to the freekeh. And what you can do, you can actually strain this sauce, serve it on the side, or you can just get your spoon and just pour it all over that beautiful hogget shoulder. And I like to finish off with a little bit of fresh parsley. So here we have the final product, braised hogget shoulder with the beautiful balsamic vinegar glaze. I hope you guys enjoy watching this, and I hope you enjoyed cooking this recipe. Thank you very much.